Hi kitties, welcome back. I'm your host Manvi. It's my birthday month, so I've been shopping a lot lately for weeks at this point, and I have so many new favorites. So I'm gonna be starting with my current favorite, and it's the Dermaco Snail Peptide 96 Hydrating Serum. Yes, you guessed it right. It's a dupe for COSRX Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. These two are so similar. I would say like Dermaco one is much more lightweight and perfect for the summertime. It's a 30 ml bottle and it makes my skin so soft, smooth, bouncy, supple. I just love this serum. Like, I think this is my first Dermaco product that I love, and this video is not sponsored, okay? Dermaco one might be affordable, but it's only 30 ml and this one is 100 ml for 1000 something rupees. So this is a value pack and it will last you for months. It's investment worthy. But if you guys are new to snail mucin and you want to try a new serum, then go for this. Amazing. It makes your skin so good. Affordable sunscreen recommendation. This is Earth Rhythm Ultra Defense SPF 50. So they have launched it again with new age sunscreen filters like DHHB, Triazone. So these are free from oxybenzone and OMC and very affordable, under 400 rupees. This sunscreen does not leave any white cast, melt into your skin so easily. It's very lightweight. It doesn't make your skin feel heavy, oily or greasy. So you can wear it for long hours and reapply this sunscreen. The only con, I feel that it does have a sunscreen smell, like because it has zinc oxide, so mineral sunscreen sometimes tend to smell a little bit, but it's not too much that I cannot bear it. One of my subscriber actually messaged me on Instagram to try this sunscreen, which is OMC and oxybenzone free, because we are always on a hunt for oxybenzone free sunscreen. It's not easy to find affordable sunscreens which are using new age sunscreen filters and are free from oxybenzone, also are great formulation wise. Also, if you want to know my top 4 sunscreen recommendation, I'm gonna be leaving that video link in the description box. Next is Ordinary Serum. This is a must buy from today's video. It's their 10% arginine solution and it gives you a Botox like effect on the skin. I apply it in the night time with my peptide serum, and the next morning when I wake up, I have this smooth skin. I have never used a serum like this. This is a must buy, especially if you're in your late 20s, in your 30s, 40s, 50s. This is for you. I previously talked about the serums, that's why I'm not going into the details because I have so many skincare products to cover, but this is a must buy from today. Next must buy for the sale is the Mochi Toner by Tony Moly. This is their ceramide Mochi Toner and it gives a beautiful glow, so nourishing. It's a milky toner, but it's very much lightweight than the Laneige toner, and the glow, oh my god. And do you see this huge value sized pack? This is for I think 1500, but it will be on sale, so I think you will get it for 1200 something rupees. Totally worth the money, like so good. If you are extremely oily skin type, I would recommend the One Thing 10% niacinamide toner, and I'm gonna be restocking it because I actually finished it. Do you see it? Like, I have finished it and it lasted me for months. So these are like value sized packs, and this toner recommendation is for all skin types, especially the sensitive skin types, because it's essential oil free, fragrance free, alcohol free, and it's super duper hydrating. I have been loving this toner. I know a lot of people think that toners are skippable, but honestly toners make a huge difference on your skin. They make your skin so hydrated, supple and dewy, so it's like a must have. Talking about the value size, this is the Dove Deep Moisture Body Wash and this is 800 ml. Oh my god, and it's like under 500. So amazing. It smells so clean. I actually used it today when I took a shower and it makes my skin so smooth but also so moisturized, and it's sulfates free. So highly recommend if you're looking for like a value sized body wash that will last you for months. This is really good. Okay, now let's talk about some moisturizers. The Dr. Sheth Ceramide and Vitamin C Moisturizer. This one is oil free, has a gel cream hybrid texture, but very affordable, very lightweight on the skin. And if you're looking for gel based moisturizers, I would recommend the Dr. Sheth Haldi and Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. That's like extremely lightweight, you wouldn't even feel it on your skin. So if you like extremely oily skin type, go for that. Oh, next is this beauty product by Swiss Beauty. It's the holographic eyeliner. I bought it very recently and these are so good. It made my inner child so happy, and they have so many beautiful shades and it's so pretty. And then for two of my favorite gel based moisturizer, this one is by Clinique Moisture Surge. I always reach out for it whenever I'm going for traveling, and when it's extremely humid like right now, I reach out for this one the most, and it's on 10% off right now. So I'm gonna be restocking it because I almost finished it. And if you're looking for a dupe of Clinique Moisture Surge or the Neutrogena Hydro Boost, this is the Plum Rice Water and Niacinamide Moisturizer. You guys know how much I love this moisturizer. I also recommended this one during the Plum sale. So if you did not buy it during the Plum sale, second best time is to buy it during the Nykaa Pink sale, because it will be around like 25% off or something like that. So this is so hydrating but so lightweight on the skin. It's fragrance free, colorants free. Just don't even think about it, go for it. It's a very good moisturizer for the humidity summertime. Next, for face wash recommendations, I do have like a dedicated face wash video, sulfates free, so do check that out after watching this. Like, do check my previous 4-5 videos, because I have actually talked about all these products in depth and showing you the demo and showing it on my skin. For face wash, I have 11% Ceramide Booster Simple Cream Cleanser. So good. It's like a cream cleanser, but it foams up so well and cleans your skin, and it's sensitive skin friendly, very gentle. And other cream cleanser that also foams up, it's like my favorite kind of cleanser. It's Minimalist 6% oat extract cleanser. Both of these are very similar, but I do prefer the simple one just a tiny bit. But both of these are very good. Sol de Janeiro is also going on 15% off, and it's a great time to grab these products, you guys. I am in love with Sol de Janeiro, how it smells, the whole DNA. And my favorite one is their number 68 Crushed Cheriosa. It smells so gourmand but also floral. It smells like cotton candy, jasmine. It's a dupe for Baccarat Rouge 540. I don't have it, so I don't know, but a lot of people mention that it smells very similar to that. I also have their 62. This one is like their OG. This one is the most gourmand body mist I've ever used. It smells like pistachio, salted caramel, vanilla, and these body creams. I actually layered these two together, so I love their Boom Boom cream. You guys know it's so amazing. But if you guys looking for something affordable, the Plum Body Loving Vanilla Caramello is the exact dupe for this. So if you want like a huge quantity, you can go for this. But I just love this Boom Boom cream. I always have it, but I love this one just a tiny bit more. This is their Beija Flor Elastic Cream. It also has a retinol, so you can use it on your chest area, but it smells so amazing, just like their number 68. So I layered these two together. I'm in love with Sol de Janeiro products. I'm gonna be buying more products from them during this sale, probably their lip balm, also other body mist. Like, they have their discovery set. If they launch it in India, I'm gonna buy it and then review it for you guys probably. Next is the Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask. I have finished mine. This is my second tub. This is an amazing pore clay mask. So if you guys have a lot of pores, blackheads, whiteheads, go for it. And if you have tanning, you can use this pore clay mask. Next, let's talk about some hair care products. So my first recommendation is the Indie Wild Chumpy Hair Oil. I've talked about it in my previous video. I love how it makes my hair so soft, and I just love this bottle. It reminds me of Chanel Chance, and it smells so good, so Indian, like herbal. So yeah, highly recommend this one. I'm also gonna be trying their lip balm, Indivine lip balm. And for hair serum, I'm gonna be buying the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum because I finished it. Actually, this one my father and my brother use it, so I buy it for them. And for myself, I actually prefer Moroccan Oil Treatment Serum, so I will be buying it because I have finished mine, almost finished with it. So yeah, this is like my favorite serum. I use it all the time and it tames my frizzy hair. It's so humid here right now, and if I hadn't used this serum, my hair would be all frizzy and messy. So yeah, that's why it's like a must have for me, and I will be restocking on it. And one product that I'm like crazy about right now, this is the Idol by Lancome, and smells like wet roses, wet jasmine, so delicious. Like, this is my favorite perfume right now, and I'm wearing it on me today. It smells so divine. I can't stop smelling it, and it will be on sale. So if you want like one perfume recommendation from me, this is the one. I layer it with Love Beauty and Planet Muru Muru Butter and Rose Body Lotion. This one also smells divine and makes your body so moisturized and hydrated. I've been loving a lot of body lotions these days. Like, I really take care of my body, and that's why you can see the whole glow. Go watch my daily feminine care video. I will leave it in my description box. This is like one of my favorites video I've made in a long time. I've like talked about feminine hygiene and how to smell good all day and the benefits of smelling good, all of that. So make sure that you check that video. For shampoo, currently I've been loving L'Oreal Paris 2-in-1 clay mask shampoo. So this is like a clay, but once you apply it on your wet hair, it also acts as a shampoo because it foams up. It also cleans your scalp and your hair. So this is like a 2-in-1 product, and I love it, especially for the summertime. During humid season, your hair collect a lot of dust, dirt, bacteria because you sweat a lot here. So this is really good for that. For the oil-based cleanser, I have ordered the Conscious Chemist oil-based cleanser, so I'm waiting for it. For vitamin C serum, I've been trying a lot of new vitamin C serums, but honestly, I always come back to these two because I want to recommend only the best products, like bestest products that you guys would not feel like I wasted my money. So this one is the Plum Vitamin C 15% serum. This is an affordable vitamin C recommendation, very good. And my number one vitamin C serum is still Klairs Vitamin C serum. This is like, I have bottles of it. You guys know I always keep it in fridge. Right now I have 3. So yeah, I'm not gonna be restocking it because I have to finish those first. Keep it in the fridge so it would not oxidize. And lastly, my classic Estee Lauder ANR serum. If they go on some sale, this is the one you can grab on. This is like my favorite nighttime serum. Snail 92 Advanced Night Cream. I have almost finished it, so I'm gonna be restocking it during this Nykaa Pink sale, and this is a must have for my night skincare routine. That's why I'm recommending it. It's like the best night cream. Nothing has replaced it. We are done with the skincare, body care, hair care recommendation, and now let's begin with the beauty makeup recommendations. And I've never talked about the brushes that I use. So these days I apply my foundation with the brush, not with the beauty blender. I feel this is like more easy for me and it gives like a good coverage. So this is the PAC 265 brush. This is a buffing brush. It blends your foundation so well and very affordable. Also, these brushes are so soft. And for my concealer, I am again using a PAC brush. This is the number 218. I will be leaving it in my description box. It gives an airbrush finish. So I highly recommend these two brushes for your base makeup. I feel that Beauty Blender soaks up a lot of product, but it gives a very natural finish. But the foundation brush and concealer brush gives a lot more coverage. So if you guys have like acne marks, hyperpigmentation on your skin, you can go for these brushes. I want to talk about what's on my wish list, what I'm getting for this sale. these are like new launches. Fenty Beauty is going on 10% off, and I'm getting their Gloss Bomb Sticks High Shine Gloss Stick in shade Is It Fussy and Fenty Glow. These two shades are my favorite so far because I have been loving this formula, like very hydrating and smooth, high gloss shine. I've been doing my lips like this for ages, so I am very excited to get my hands on these. Also, I've finished the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. These are like the best lip glosses out there. I haven't used a lip gloss which is better than this. This is the shade Fussy, which is my favorite shade, but this time I'm gonna get the Fenty Glow. You guys need to try the ColourPop Super Shock eyeshadow in shade Ritz. It's a beautiful champagne shade. It's a dupe for Urban Decay Moon Dust eyeshadow. I don't have that one, so I can't say for sure, but I got this one because I wanted like a champagne shade. It's very similar to Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow, glitter eyeshadow especially. It gives a wet look to your eyes, which I love, which is like my favorite glitter eyeshadows. That's why this is like more expensive as compared to other glitter eyeshadows. And you see, like, it just gives a beautiful glow to my eyelids. I love the glitter eyeshadows which gives a diffused look, not too pigmented, but also gives like a wet look, like your eyes are wet. Oh, I need to show you guys this. This is my favorite beauty tool these days. This is Prash Beauty Pizza Puff. So you actually dip it in your loose powder. This is from K Beauty. I have the shade Banana, and you just dip it and apply it under your eyes or wherever you want to like bake your base makeup. When you apply your concealer, after some time your concealer settles into fine lines. After using this, like applying the loose powder with this Pizza Puff, I don't get that anymore. Everybody's crazy about liquid blushes these days. I love liquid blushes mainly for how long lasting they are, and it also gives like a very plump look to your skin. And Indian beauty brands have up leveled their game so much. So this is the Tipsy Beauty, and this blush is the exact dupe for Charlotte Tilbury blush, you guys. So if you don't wanna spend your money, sell your kidneys, then go for the Tipsy Beauty blush. This is the shade Strawberry Champagne. Formula is exactly similar, just there is a tiny bit difference in the shade. Like this one is like more pillow talk vibe. This blush, you guys, is a must buy. Please, please, please get it. Like your makeup will look so good. Trust me on that. My favorite part of doing the whole makeup routine is applying liquid blushes. So let me know if you guys want to know my favorite liquid blushes of all time. I will do the swatches and show you how they perform and everything, because I have so many favorites and I cannot talk about in depth about these products. But if you want to get like one liquid blush, this is the one, Tipsy Beauty. And you guys know my love for lip tints, and my favorite lip tints these days are the Raw Mint lip tints. I have swatched these so many times in my videos, so I will not talk a lot about these, but my current shade is Fake. I also love the pink popsicle shade. So yeah, these lip tints are really good, especially for the summertime when you are going for like that no makeup look, a no foundation makeup look. In one of my videos, how to look polished, 15 easy ways to look polished all the time, every day. So make sure that you watch that video. I have so many tips and so many product recommendations, especially for those people who don't have much time in the morning time when they are getting ready. So that video is like a must watch after this. I always get comments on my lipstick whenever I wear this combo. So I'm wearing First Dance by Charlotte Tilbury. Love this. Charlotte Tilbury is also going on 25% off. There's one lip product that I've been obsessed with. It's by Tipsy Beauty and it's their lip and cheek oil. This is their pH shade, and what I do with this, I apply it before applying my lipstick, and I also apply it over my lipstick whenever my lips feel a little bit dry. It just perks up my lips and also leaves a beautiful pink tint behind, which is like my favorite. So this is definitely a must buy lip product from today's video, because Tipsy Beauty is also going on sale. Another favorite liquid blush is this Rosy Posy, and this is also going on 40% off, I think. Yeah, and this blush I actually like to use it whenever I'm not wearing makeup, like directly on my skin, and it gives like the most natural flush to my skin. It doesn't look like I'm wearing a blush. So if you're looking for a product that looks like your skin, these are Nude Sticks products are so good for that. If you're one of those people who want to skip on foundation during the summertime, then I would highly recommend that you try these, because whenever I'm not wearing makeup, I'm wearing these and my skin looks so glowy, dewy. It looks like I am wearing a beauty filter. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter, which I love. I have the shade medium. I still have not finished it, you guys. I bought it like 2-3 years ago, I think, and I use it a lot, and I haven't finished it yet. I think it's going on 20% off, but if you guys want like an affordable dupe of it, ELF is also going on 15% off. This is the ELF Halo Glow Liquid Filter. This is like exact dupe of it, but if you guys want to know which one I prefer out of these two, it's obviously the Charlotte Tilbury one, but these are very similar, so go according to your budget. Yeah, kiddies, so that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed my recommendations. These are my genuine recommendation. I use these products all the time. I reach out for these the most. That's why I'm sharing it with you. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.